could you please make a really, really loud race car sound? First sound effect. When you go, make it super loud. Oh yeah! Keep racing that car! Yeah! I'm here with the David Miller. He's gonna make an ocean sound for us.
All right, so waves coming into the sea?
Yeah. I'll get you in the mood.
Oh my gosh.
All right, I'm here with Laura. She's gonna do a giraffe sound for us.
Oh, a giraffe? Giraffes make noise? What? I feel like that's a noise a giraffe would make, right?
It's not, they bleat.
They what?
They bleat.
But it's a bleat, bleat, bleat.
We're looking at that side. You're shooting into that one.
I'm here with Sophia Garrison, and she's gonna do a giraffe sound.
Aww.
That's what they make?
No.
I thought they bleated.
They do bleat.
Make it. Oh, you heard it here first. I'm here with Gwen. Can you make the sound effect of an angry soccer mom?
Go faster!
Allie Johnson! I'm here with Allie Johnson, and she's gonna do her best iguana impersonation.
Iguana? I don't think so.
Is that what an iguana does?
An iguana changes colors.
Hey Morgan!
What?
I'm here with Morgan Caro, and
Oh,
she's
hey.
gonna make the sound effect of a Yeti. I'm here with Amber. She's gonna do her best elephant impersonation. Oh my goodness! John Tan! I need you to make the sound of a Sasquatch.
But you still have to go through the tunnel.
Adam Hunt! Do your best helicopter impersonation. Again. Thank you. I'm here with Jonathan Tregdean. He's gonna make a lightsaber sound for us.
I kind of like your idea.
How?
This is what Ryan would do because it is more simple.
Again.
Why?
Again.
Alright, so we're speaking with 3 points in the back.
Lightsaber sound.
That's gonna be 3 points in the back row, 2 points in the middle, 1 point in front.
Perfect. I'm here with Mrs. Maloney, and she's gonna make the sound of a squirrel. We're here with Dennis Kilcoyne, and he's gonna make an emergency response vehicle sound. Woo! Hey Rachel, we were wondering if we could have you do like something for our video for our sound effects.
Sure.
So we're gonna have you like do an animal or a sound, I'll tell you, and you just impersonate it. Does that sound good?
Okay.
So could you do an impersonation of our crumbling economy? Thank you.
Oh my gosh, if we win the...
I'm just not doing my
We did?
I'm playing.
Dylan Carpenter, can you make the sound effect of deforestation?
I'm like...
I'm here with Kristen Faribault, and she's gonna do her best Ryan and Jackson impersonation.
Well, I just went to the mall and I found these new cargo shorts and they were so awesome and I just love cargo shorts.
Thank you. I love them as well. Ryan, could you do an impersonation of David Miller?
Yeah, I got this.
Yes, you're the only one. Hannah Joy! Can you make the sound effect of a tree falling when nobody's there to hear it? I'm here with Sam Maroos, and I want him to make the sound of losing muscle mass.
Well, you see, Jeremy, I've never had muscle mass to begin with, so I just don't know the sound.
Would you say that's a similar problem for David Miller?
I would indeed.
I'm here with Parks Lewis, and I want Parks to make the sound of a wrench.
Is that good?
Dylan, what do you want?
Second chance for the deforestation.
All right, you got it. Dylan Carpenter, deforestation. All right, I'm here with Mr. Weeks, and he's gonna make a hammerhead shark sound. Chris Carpenter, can you make the sound effect of grass growing?
That was really good.
Mrs. Weeks, could you please impersonate the sound of mayonnaise?
What does mayonnaise sound like?